Hi guys, today's recipe for vegetable cheese pies was sent in from Lily. So thank you Lily for sending in this recipe. So if you'd like to send your recipes, please email them to me. So we're going to start with a skillet, and to that skillet I'm going in with some golden ray butter, or you can use vegetable oil or regular butter. Next go in with some finely chopped onions and some finely chopped pimento peppers. You can add a hot pepper to this if you wanted to. Next, you want to saute for about 1 minute until tender. Next, go in with some chopped garlic and saute for about 20 seconds. Next goes in some finely chopped bodi or long beans, or you can use string beans, some grated carrots, finely chopped sweet peppers, and some all-purpose seasoning to taste. Mix to combine and allow to cook until the vegetables are tender. Once cooked and the vegetables are tender, set it aside to cool down. Next, let's make our dough. So to my flour, I'm going in with baking powder and yeast. Mix to incorporate those ingredients. And then we're going to knead this with some lukewarm water to bring this together to form a soft to medium dough. You want the dough to be a little softer than sada roti. So continue kneading until it comes together. Now once the dough comes together, I add a little bit of dry flour and I will continue to knead this until it's very smooth and that gluten in the flour has formed. The gluten forming is what's going to help give you a really nice pie. So once it's finished, cover with a damp paper towel and set aside for 5 minutes. To the cool filling, go in with cheese. Mix to incorporate. Now you can use any type of cheese you like. I'm using a combination of New Zealand and Monterey Jack. Next, break your dough balls, and I broke the dough balls about 2 to 3 inches. You don't want the dough balls too big and you don't want it too small. Next, cover the dough balls and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. You want that gluten to relax. Once rested, you're going to open out your dough balls. Open out the ends a little thinner than the center. Place 1 tablespoon of filling onto the dough and bring the ends up to seal. You can push down ever so slightly on the filling so that it's easier for you to bring those ends up. You want to press to seal. Now you notice I'm not using any dry flour. If you were to use dry flour, it's going to prevent this from sealing properly and it will open out in the oil when you're frying it. Press down to make sure that it's nice and thin. And then set it aside and continue filling the rest. Once they're filled, we're going to move over to the stove to fry these. Place your pies into your hot oil. Now I'm deep frying these. You can shallow fry them if you like. And you're going to fry them until they're nice, light golden brown. Now the filling is cooked, so all we need to do is allow the dough to cook. Once brown, remove and drain on paper towels and continue frying the rest of your dough or your pies. Now guys, I didn't say this in the beginning, but I'm sure you can interchange the vegetables and put whatever vegetables you like in your pies. So the pies are finished. I have to say that cutting into that and when it's open, it smells so good. This recipe is really delicious and the dough itself is nice and crunchy when it comes out of that hot oil. Thank you so much to Lily for sending in this recipe. It is a big hit with my family. If you guys like the video, please leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!